Icicle nails. So you're going to start off with a builder gel base. This is a super easy effect. Anybody should be able to master it. Then using the Lil Baby Blender brush from Nails by Dev, I go in with a glitter. Now this particular one is from Blue Sky, and basically you just fade that down the nail using the Lil Baby Blender brush. Once you've done that, cure it fully, then give it a top coat and cure that. So on top of your cured top coat, you're going to go in with your icicles. Now this particular gel paint is from Pro Impressions. It's their ultra white gel paint. It's relatively new, I think, and it absolutely applies a dream. I'm really, really happy with it. So basically I painted on the icicles, dead simple, just kind of drape them down from the top. You'll see I'm using kind of like a swishing motion with my brush there, just to create that kind of uneven texture. Once you've done that and you're happy with it, then you're going to sprinkle some fairy dust on the top. So because this is an art polish as well, it's actually a no wipe one. So basically you won't need to wipe it once you've actually sprinkled the glitter over the top. So sprinkle the glitter over the top, cure that in the lamp, dust off any excess glitter, and you're good to go. I hope that helps.